Where do you work?
I work in New York City.
Do you work in Manhattan?
Yes, I work in the Flatiron Building on Fifth Avenue.
Lucky you. That's my favorite building in New York.
It's a New York City landmark. When it was built in 1902, it was one of the highest buildings in the city at 20 floors high.
I did not know that.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
It's going well. Did you see the new wind turbine on Bill's farm?
Yes, I visited Bill's farm yesterday. He is happy the installation is complete.
I am thinking about installing one on my farm next summer.
Great idea. A wind turbine is good for the environment and it reduces your power bill.
Yesterday I went hiking.
Where did you go?
Do you know the Ocean Trail 30 minutes north of town?
Yes, I believe that is called Mountain Ridge.
That's right.
I love the steep green slopes and spectacular ocean views. How long did you hike?
I hiked for about 3 hours and then had lunch on the hillside.
Sounds like a wonderful day. Give me a call next time you go.
I had such a great time last night.
What did you do?
My friends and I went surfing. We surfed until dark and saw a beautiful sunset.
How was the surf?
The surf was great, and it wasn't too crowded.
You picked a good time to go. It's hard to surf when it's crowded.
Yes, I agree. We had the beach and waves all to ourselves. Have you ever ridden in a hot air balloon?
No, I have not. Have you?
Not yet. But next week I am traveling to New Mexico for the annual Hot Air Balloon Festival.
What are you planning to do there?
My mom and I are planning to ride in a balloon together.
You must not be afraid of heights.
Actually, I am a little nervous. But I'm also looking forward to the adventure.
You're very brave. Let me know how it goes.
I want to take a road trip.
Where would you like to go?
I want to travel out west to see the desert mountains.
I have been wanting to do that. When are you going?
I want to go this weekend. Would you like to go with me?
Yes, I would love to. I don't have any plans.
Great. I will pick you up Saturday morning. I am so excited.
Why is that?
I got a new Apple Watch for Christmas this year.
How do you like it?
I love it. It's really helping my productivity in a lot of areas.
What's your favorite feature?
I like responding to texts without having to use my phone.
Wow, sounds great.
I also love the fitness tracking capabilities.
Now I want one. Let's keep an eye on the European economy this year.
Why? What are you seeing?
I am seeing a few early signs of a weakening economy.
Okay, I will alert our business operations manager.
I will provide a detailed update on the economy next month.
In the meantime, I will keep you posted on any new developments. This is our large open office area.
I see. This is a very nice space.
Thank you. It is quite busy at the moment.
What is going on?
We're having our monthly programming competition.
Everyone looks so focused on the task.
Yes, we take our competitions very seriously around here.
What's the grand prize?
A $5,000 bonus and free lunch for an entire month.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
I had eggs on toast and some fruit.
That sounds delicious.
And, of course, my morning coffee.
I love toast and coffee.
Me too. I especially love toast with eggs.
Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Well, they say it's the most important meal of the day.
I have not seen you in a couple of weeks.
I've been on vacation in the Caribbean.
Where did you go?
I went to the Bahamas and Barbados.
What did you do there?
We enjoyed the abundant sunshine and beautiful beaches.
Did you go snorkeling or scuba diving?
Yes, we went snorkeling. We saw so many tropical fish and colorful coral reefs. Can you guess what showed up on our doorstep last night?
I don't know. What was it?
A cute baby chick.
Really? Any idea where it came from?
My guess is it somehow wandered over from our neighbor's house.
Yes, you are probably right.
Our neighbors have chickens and new chicks are hatching all the time.
You should give them a call then.
I will call them after breakfast this morning.
What are you doing for the 4th of July this year?
Every year we rent a lake house and have a big party.
That sounds fun. What do you do there?
We go boating, water skiing, and shoot off lots of fireworks.
What kind of fireworks?
The kids love sparklers. They light them and run around the yard.
At our house, we shoot off lots of rockets with big explosions.
Our neighbors do the same. They always put on a great show.
Can you drop by my studio today?
Sure, what's up?
I created a new artwork that I would like to show you.
I am excited to see it. Can you tell me about it?
Let's just say it's a celebration of food.
In what way?
It simply says, eat what makes you happy.
I love that. Can't wait to see it.
Great, see you later.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the zoo with my family.
How was it?
It was good. We saw lots of animals.
Did you see a giant panda?
Yes, we saw a few giant pandas. They are so cute.
What was your favorite animal?
The koala bears are my favorite.
The Taipei 101 skyscraper is one of the tallest buildings in the world.
That's located in Taiwan, right?
That is correct.
Isn't it the tallest building in the world?
Actually, it was the tallest building when it was constructed in 2004.
It's no longer the tallest?
No. A skyscraper in Dubai is now the tallest building in the world.
Come on. Let's walk to the middle of the bridge.
Are you sure it's safe?
Yes, it's safe. I have hiked across it many times.
Okay, let's do it.
You will love the view from the middle.
I am excited to see it.
It's a great place to take pictures. I went fishing with my buddies over the weekend.
Where did you go?
We took a trip down to Miami and rented a deep-sea fishing boat.
Did you catch anything?
We caught lots of red snapper and grouper.
Nothing beats fresh fish. Did you bring some home?
We sure did. And the captain grilled some fresh fish for us right there on the boat. It was delicious.
What else did you do in Miami?
After the fishing trip we spent time relaxing on the beach.
Are you going to the social media conference in Austin, Texas?
Yes, we're both going. Are you?
Yes, I am leaving tomorrow.
Are you flying or driving?
I am flying. I actually don't own a car.
Okay, we're driving. We leave for Austin tomorrow afternoon.
Great, I will see you there.
Have a safe flight.
Did you see the full moon last night?
No, I didn't see it.
I was camping in the desert and couldn't believe how bright it was.
Really? Where did you go camping?
My son and I drove out to the mountains 10 miles north of town.
Did it get cold after dark?
Yes, it was a little chilly. But the view of the night sky made the trip worthwhile.